Hello, welcome to my channel. It is a beautiful day and a great one at that. Thank you so much for always tuning into my channel. I really appreciate the love and the support. If this is the first time coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Subscription is absolutely free. It means nothing to you, but it means a lot to me. Like this video and share. Alright, so today I want to share with you one way that you can assemble sugar flowers on your cake. Of course, there are thousands of ways that you can assemble sugar flowers on your cake, so that's why I said one way. In this channel, I do more of fondant cake designing. Are you having any challenges with fondant making or tips and tricks on how to handle fondant? Then drop your question at the comment question below. I will gladly answer you. Before I get to assembling the sugar flowers, I just decided to show you the little details I added to the cake. You might be interested to see one or two things. So relax and watch. Okay, now we've come to the sugar flower assembling. First, to assemble your sugar flower, you have to make a check. Try placing that sugar without digging a hole on your cake. Try placing it at the spot you wish to assemble it. Be sure that it's going to sit very beautifully at that spot. Make a proper check. Take your time. Honestly, making a sugar flower is a different thing of its own, and assembling it is a total different thing of its own. When you're done making a check, like I did now, I first placed in a straw dowel like you saw before fixing in my sugar flower. That straw dowel is to help my sugar flower sit comfortably at the top there, and secondly is to avoid the stem, the floral wire, coming in direct contact with my cake. I'm sure that no customer would want to see that, like I am also doing with this. I am using a food wrapper to cover up this particular other one, the smaller, the board, the sugar flower board. You do the same. You either wrap it up with a food wrapper or you use a straw dowel to avoid a direct contact. And for the larger sugar flowers, is advisable you use a straw dowels, because it helps you sit it very comfortably without dangling. So these are the reasons and these are the things you should consider when assembling your sugar flowers, and you have total control of your sugar flowers. Okay, just put up your mind, try and make a check where this can sit comfortably, and for sure you're going to do it. I want to create a row with these ones here. I want them to sit in a row straight up. You can as well turn around the table, bring the bigger one at that left corner down. Why these ones in a row? You make them descending from the top without them reaching to the ground, to the down part. Just descend from the top. It's a beautiful way also to arrange or to assemble your sugar flowers. So there are thousands of ways. Just start doing it, and with time you will get used to it. I hope this video was so helpful to you, and thank you so much once again for stopping by. That is it. Simple. Alright, we've come to the end of this video, and it was nice. If you have watched to this extent, I appreciate you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.